Hi guys, so we have started with sociology optional for UPSC, and we are starting with paper 1, which is fundamentals of sociology. And in this paper we have total 10 units, and we have decided that every day we'll pick one unit and उसका एक topic we'll be doing. ठीक है, जैसे कि we have started with modernity and social change in Europe and emergence of sociology. We have already done with the one video, but over there we did topic of emergence of sociology, but we are actually left with two topics which are also covered in this unit, in this topic only, that is industrial revolution, French revolution, and enlightenment. So that topic we will be doing today. Okay, so before we get started with the video, I'll just want to make one request that please get a copy of the syllabus on your table, and just keep going through the topics and get familiar with the points कि क्या क्या है हमारे syllabus में. Okay, now just let's start with the video. Okay, so like we did in the previous one, we'll also do the same thing for this. So the topic is French Revolution and Industrial Revolution, and in this we'll first see all the questions which have come till date. So like for the question is, had the French Revolution anything to do with emergence of sociology in Europe? Make a critical study. So we have to tell कि कैसे French Revolution was related to emergence of sociology. In this we have to tell all the positive as well as the negative points. Next question, we have the sociology as a byproduct of industrial revolution. How the sociology was related to this industrial revolution, how it came out to be out of the industrial revolution. Next question we have, how did French Revolution and Industrial Revolution play an important role in emergence of sociology? See, isn't it very much repeated what was asked previously? Like in the first phase, it was in question of 1989, wherein they asked about French Revolution, how it was related to this emergence of sociology. Next, in 1999, they asked how sociology was a byproduct of industrial revolution. And next, in 2012, they asked a similar question, wherein they combined both the questions, and they asked like how the French Revolution and Industrial Revolution were actually played an important role in emergence of sociology. So if you would have done these two questions, it would have been very easy for us to answer this question. So that's why it is very important to do all the PYQs of optional, especially for sociology, because there is a lot of repetition. So let's just see how we can write the answer. And one more thing, that I have not included the question papers of 2023, and 2024 paper would obviously be done by before we are going to give this our mains, but we are not including both the papers over here because our main aim is to complete this first, and thereafter we will use them as a simulator. We are going to write, we are going to pick up both the papers, and then we are going to write and see how much we are able to write. Okay, so let's see what could be the possible answer to this question. So first let's pick up this one. French Revolution had anything to do with emergence of sociology. Okay, so इसमें first of all we have to tell about the French Revolution. You should know when it started, and you must have read it in your world history. So you must be knowing कि it started in 1789 to 1799 के बीच में it happened. So French Revolution took place between 1789 to 1799. So it was a pivotal event in European history. It marked a significant shift in the political, social and intellectual paradigm. सो फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन के चलते काफ़ी ज़्यादा चेंजेस हमें देखने को मिले थे पॉलिटिकल, सोशल, इंटेलेक्चुअल आइडियाज़ में. सो वी कैन से कि एमर्जेंस ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी वॉज बेसिकली अ डिसिप्लिन इन यूरोप विच कैन बी ट्रेस्ड इन 19th सेंचुरी. कब हुआ था ये भी हमें पता है कि जो सोशियोलॉजी का एमर्जेंस हुआ था इट हैपेंड इन अर्ली 19th सेंचुरी. सो it is a lot many time argued that French Revolution played a crucial role in laying the groundwork for a development of sociology, क्योंकि फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन के टाइम पे there were a lot of changes which were going on in the society, and with regards to this political, social and intellectual paradigm. And we also know that emergence of sociology was basically laid on these points. Okay, next we can mention about the social discontent and inequality. So French Revolution के time पे there was lot of social discontent, and which was deeply rooted by inequality, oppression of the lower class, and there was this aristocracy and monarchy in the society. So there people demanded for the fundamental rights and they talked about equality. So later on, these all points, they were actually central to what? Our sociology. So we can say yes, they are related to the emergence of sociology. Next we can talk about many philosophers were there, like you can quote the names of Rousseau, Voltaire, Montesquieu. So they were actually rationally talking about they were talking about rationality, individual rights. Okay, next you can quote about Auguste Comte. He is also considered as father of sociology, and he was a French philosopher, and he was very much influenced by this French Revolution. So yes, sociology was a result of this French Revolution. So these are the points which you can mention about the French Revolution. Okay, just a minute. There is another, yeah. So यहाँ पे I have included one more introduction which you can write accordingly if you would like this one. फैक्टर्स में वी हैव टॉक्ड कि हाँ सोशल इनइक्वालिटीज़ की बात हमने करी कि हाँ कैसे इनइक्वालिटीज़ थी उस टाइम पे, एंड देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ ऑपरेशन ऑफ लोअर क्लास. उसके बाद वी हैव टॉक्ड कि एनलाइटनमेंट का आइडिया कैसे आया था, लॉट मेनी फिलोसफर वर देयर, ऑगस्ट कॉम्टे का. फिर यू कैन कंक्लूड बाय सेइंग कि हाँ फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन कैन बी सीन एज अ कैटलिस्ट फॉर एमर्जेंस ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी एज इज जनरेटेड द नीड for systematic study of social relation institution that could help explain and improve the society. Okay, उसी फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन के बाद में ही पीपल रियलाइज द नीड कि वी नीड समथिंग विच कुड आंसर ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस. सो दैट्स वाई वी कैन से येस, emergence of sociology was linked with the French Revolution. So you can just pause the video and read the answer and note down the points. Okay, so the next question was how industrial revolution was linked with the emergence of sociology. Let me just take it. Okay, so next question we have ki sociology as a byproduct of industrial revolution. First of all you can mention industrial revolution ki industrialization kya hota hai. So industrialization is what? It is the change which is brought in the society. It is basically transition from primarily agrarian to manufacturing and industrial society. उसके बाद we also know कि French industrial revolution कब आया था? It began in 18th century. So you can mention the date that it not the date exactly, but you can mention the century that it happened in 18th century, which was led by rapid economic growth, urbanization and social change. So all these were the changes which took place during our industrial revolution. After that you can say कि this rapid transformation was not actually something which happened in asylum. It was something which was linked by so many things. So there were a lot of changes which were going in the society. There was social change, there was change in the social structure, relationship, institutions, and because people were moving from rural area to the urban areas. So it was not something very simple, very easy. It brought a lot many problem to their lives. So what all changes did happen during that time? So we can say yes, poor working condition for the worker we saw at that time, because there was a rush from rural area to urban area. Okay, so large number of people came to that area, and we also saw a lot many rise in the nuclear families. So due to this urbanization, people had to move away from their family, and we also saw petty crimes, murders. There were many cases of domestic violence, and we also saw the faith in religion decreased at that time. Frequent separations, absolute poverty. So all these were the changes, and yes, many other which you could remember, which you could get, and yes, basically you can write. Next we can conclude by saying कि yes, the need to understand now all these changes which were taking place in the society, they were not the present body of knowledge could not answer these questions. So there was a need felt to get to know about these changes. So we can say कि philosophers of that time, like we can say Auguste Comte, Karl Marx, Emile Durkheim, so they were the pioneer who actually contributed to development of sociology. So how you can conclude? You can conclude by saying ki need to understand these changes and their consequences for individual and society gave rise to emergence of sociology. Okay, then you can mention about their names. So this could be the possible conclusion. Okay, now let's see what was the other question. It was combination of both French Revolution and Industrial Revolution. So it is, how did French Revolution and Industrial Revolution play an important role in emergence of sociology? Now for this question, you can combine the answer I have given you for the separate, like I've told you about the French Revolution, I've told you about the Industrial Revolution. What you can do is you can combine both the answer and write your own. Let me just tell you what could be the possible introduction to this. You can say ki yes, French Revolution and Industrial Revolution, they were two major events that occurred in late 18th century and early 19th century, and they played an important role in emergence of sociology. After that you can mention कि हाँ French Revolution ने कैसे important role play किया था, because at that time there were a lot of changes which were seen in the society. So people demanded for equality, for their rights, and there were a lot many enlightenment going on in the society. You can quote the name of philosopher like Rousseau, Voltaire, Montesquieu, which were talking about rationality, individualism. Then you can say about Auguste Comte, how the father of sociology, who was a French philosopher, was greatly influenced by French Revolution. Then you can talk about other social thinkers who were influenced by upheaval they witnessed during the revolution. Next you can talk about Industrial Revolution, that yes, Industrial Revolution also saw a lot many changes in the society, like people moving from rural area to urban area, and then the working condition, poor working condition, nuclear families, rise in the nuclear families and domestic violence, religion, faith in the religion decrease, frequent separation, petty crime, murders. So all these changes, they could not be answered by the present BOK, but that is body of knowledge. So there was a need felt to understand these changes. So the sociologists of that time, they were not basically sociologists at that time, but they were the philosopher who later on turned out to be sociologists. So they actually were the ones who actually were the pioneer for this development of this science, sociology. Okay, now we are done with these questions. Next we have to discuss enlightenment wala topic, and then we will be done with this first topic. Okay, enlightenment mein first I'll just tell you all the questions which have been asked. So the first question, you can see it was asked like intellectual sources for rise of sociology. What were the intellectual sources, right? Next question we have that ideology and emergence of sociology. क्या ideology रही थी उस time पे and emergence कैसे हुआ था sociology का? Isn't it same कि हाँ intellectual की बात करी, next में we are talking क्या ideology थी? Okay, it's okay. Let's see the next one. Next says कि intellectual background for emergence of sociology. This is exactly same. See, intellectual source, intellectual background. It was asked in 2006. Next question we have, how did enlightenment contribute to emergence of sociology? This is also talking the same thing. It hasn't even changed the wording of the question. It's just the same. Enlightenment contributed to emergence of sociology. Intellectual source and intellectual background and enlightenment, they are same. So it was asked in 2015. It is also talking about enlightenment. Next question was, explain how sociology has emerged as a distinct discipline based on rationality and scientific temper. This is also talking about rationality, scientific temper. So it is also enlightenment. Next question is, how did intellectual force led to emergence of sociology? This is exactly what was asked in this year. Intellectual source, intellectual force, right? Okay, so next question was, what aspect of enlightenment do you think paved way for emergence of sociology? This is also talking about enlightenment and emergence of sociology, how they are linked together. Okay, so you can see there's a lot of repetition. I mean, if you would have done it like one question or two, it would have been very easy for you to answer the next few questions. Okay, so you can also see, you can only see ki how important the PYQs are and how important it is to do them before you go for your actual examination. So without any further ado, let's just see the intro, what you can write. So intro mein you can mention about enlightenment was an intellectual movement. What is enlightenment? Something which, you gain the knowledge, the power. Okay, so that is, enlightenment was intellectual movement which was led by Rousseau, Montesquieu in 17th and 18th century Europe, which had scientific inquiry, humanism, individualism as central idea. So this could be one of the intro, sorry. You can mention this. उसके बाद में यू कैन टॉक अबाउट कि इनलाइटनमेंट में क्या क्या हुआ था, ठीक है, क्या क्या चेंजेस हमें देखने को मिले थे. तो अगर क्वेश्चन आता है कि जैसे ये क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट वर द फोर्सेस, ये क्वेश्चन हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया है इन आर फर्स्ट वीडियो वेयर वी डिस्कस्ड अ क्वेश्चन, हाउ डिड इंटेलेक्चुअल फोर्स लेड टू एमर्जेंस ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी. यू कैन वॉच दैट वीडियो ऑल्सो एंड हेयर ऑल्सो आई विल टेल यू द पॉइंट्स. तो जैसे क्वेश्चन है कि क्या इंटेलेक्चुअल फोर्सेस रहे थे विच लेड टू एमर्जेंस ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी, तो आप लिख सकते हैं कि आफ्टर राइटिंग दिस इंट्रो यू कैन मैंशन कि इंटेलेक्चुअल फोर्सेस विच लेड टू एमर्जेंस ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी वर, first you can mention about renaissance, that how it had the central idea of humanism, secularism, it talked about these things. So you can mention about that renaissance. Then you can mention about scientific revolution, kaise thinkers they were the pioneer for the emergence of sociology. Next you can quote about enlightenment, ठीक है. फिर आप बता सकते हैं अबाउट फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन, हाउ द आइडिया ऑफ लिबर्टी, इक्वालिटी, फ्रेटर्निटी लेड टू द स्टेट डिस्कॉर्ड एंड सोशल एंड पॉलिटिकल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. उसके बाद आप बता सकते हैं इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन के बारे में, हाउ द मास प्रोडक्शन एंड अर्बनाइजेशन, ब्यूरोक्रेसी, इट ऑल लेड टू द डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ द वर्क एलियनेशन. कैसे जो हमारा रूरल से अर्बनाइजेशन में कैसे ट्रांजिशन हुआ, इसके बारे में बता सकते हो. सो एंड उसके बाद यू कैन मेंशन फ्यू पॉइंट्स अबाउट दी ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स विच वर देयर ड्यू टू दीज चेंजेस, एंड देन द नीड वॉज फेल्ट फॉर द emergence of for the body of knowledge which could answer all these questions, and so sociology emerged. So this could be your conclusion. So we are finally done with the first topic of our first unit. So from tomorrow we'll start with the second topic. Okay, I hope you like the video. Thank you. Just keep revising it. Okay.